Hi, my name is Shail and I'd like to welcome you to Shail's Kitchen.
Here's what's cooking in Shail's Kitchen today. Coconut curry shrimp. Here are some of the seasonings and ingredients we'll be using for our coconut curry shrimp. I've got some curry powder, seafood seasoning, fresh ground garlic, some green seasoning mix, some coconut milk, extra virgin olive oil, and sweet cream unsalted butter. Here I have about a pound of shrimp and they're like 50 to 60 count, and all that means is like when you're buying shrimp and you're looking at that factor, it just means that when you buy like a pound of shrimp, you should expect to get roughly between 50 to 60 shrimp per pound. The shrimp have been shelled and deveined, and I also squeezed the juice of half a lemon, rubbed it into the shrimp, and then left it for about 3 minutes, and then rinsed it under cold running water. Now it's ready for seasoning. We also have some colorful ingredients that are going to make our dish look really beautiful. I've got some bell peppers, I've got some orange ones here, and then I've got some green, I've got some pimentos, some carrots, some red onions, also some ginger, and I've julienned all of them, and that just means cutting into thin strips. I'll be leaving all the ingredients and quantities in the description box below for you guys. Now it's time to season the shrimp. I've got 1 tablespoon of garlic, 1 tablespoon of green seasoning, 1 tablespoon of curry powder, and a sprinkle of seafood seasoning. Now I'm just going to mix everything together. Make sure that all our seasonings are well combined, and also make sure all that curry powder coats all of the shrimp. And then I'm just going to leave this to sit. You can let it sit for a few minutes or even like half an hour or an hour if you like. But once you have mixed everything together like this, it is pretty much ready to go. So, and it already smells great. First, we're going to start on high heat, melting the butter in some extra virgin olive oil. I reduced the heat to medium-high, and I'm going to add the shrimp to the pot. This aroma that's coming from this pot is so delectable. I wish you could be here to join me. So we're going to stir this shrimp, and we're going to let this cook for a couple minutes. Keep stirring because you don't want the shrimp to stick to the bottom of the pot, and that way you can like kind of evenly distribute it throughout the pot for even cooking. I've reduced the heat to medium-low, and now I'm going to add the coconut milk. Now you want to stir everything up really good with the coconut milk. And you know what, if your liquid is drying down too much, you can always add some more coconut milk to this. And I think I will, because I don't want it to get too dry. I added another 1/4 cup of coconut milk, and I think this is really looking good. It smells fantastic. And the last thing to do is to add all our julienned veggies to this pot. Now this last step here, you don't want to leave it on too long. So I'm gonna say like, you know, maybe around 30 seconds or so, so you still retain the beautiful color of the julienne vegetables, and it still has a nice little crunch to it. So I think this is looking good. I'm gonna take it off the heat now.
If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Shail's Kitchen, and follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. So thank you, and I look forward to seeing you next time on Shail's Kitchen. Home of good food and good memories.